Hello everyone, I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn about how to use can to talk about what someone is able to do now. Let's begin with the key points. Using can to talk about present abilities. Forming negative sentences with can. Yes, no questions with can. W, H questions with can. Practice examples. Summary. Using can to talk about present abilities. We use can, then base verb to say someone is able to do something. Here are some examples. I can swim. She can speak 2 languages. They can cook very well. Forming negative sentences with can. To say someone is not able to do something, we use can't or cannot, then base verb. Examples. I can't drive a car. He cannot play the piano. We can't speak Japanese. Yes/no questions with can. To ask about someone's ability, we use can, then subject, then base verb. And to answer, we use yes or no. Examples. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Or no, I can't. Can she sing? Yes, she can. Or no, she can't. Can they ride bikes? Yes, they can. Or no, they can't. W, H questions with can. We can also ask for more information using W, H questions with can. The structure is W, H, word, then can, then subject, then base verb. Examples. What can you cook? I can cook eggs and pasta. Where can we buy tickets? We can buy tickets at the station. Who can help us? The teacher can help us. Practice examples. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. What can he do very well? He can play the piano very well. What can't they do yet, but want to learn? They can't drive yet, but they want to learn next year. Can she cook a special dish? Yes, she can make delicious lasagna. Can you play the guitar? No, I cannot. Great work. Summary. Let's review. Use can, then base verb for present abilities. She can speak Spanish. Use can't or cannot to talk about things you are not able to do. He can't swim. Form yes, no questions with can. Can you dance? Yes, I can, or no, I can't. Use W, H questions with can to get more information. Where can you go to relax? I can go to the park to relax. Great job today. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.